Look no further than the 2023 GMC Sierra. Enjoy a view of this hard-working, boldly styled GMC Sierra, the full-size pickup available with a range of powertrains and options designed to prioritize the capabilities you've been looking for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, wireless charging station, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat. Make your dreams come true in this can-do Sierra. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.